Tired of Wi-Fi dead zones? Those frustrating spots where your video calls buffer and your downloads crawl? The D-Link Eagle Pro AI Wi-Fi Range Extender. In just a few minutes, we'll show you how to blanket your entire home in strong, reliable Wi-Fi. Let's get started. Step 1. Unbox and plug into power. First, unbox your D-Link Range Extender. Inside the box, you will get quick user manual, D-Link Range Extender, and an Ethernet cable. Take your D-Link extender and plug it into a power outlet approximately halfway between your router and the area where you need a better signal. Wait a few moments until the power light on the extender turns solid. Step 2. Press WPS button on your Wi-Fi router. Now go to your main Wi-Fi router and press WPS button for 2 seconds. Now within 2 minutes, go to D-Link Wi-Fi extender and press its WPS button for 2 seconds. After few seconds, extender signal strength light will stop blinking and become solid. This is your confirmation that the connection was successful. Now go to mobile or laptop Wi-Fi and you'll get a new extender SSID name, same as your home Wi-Fi name followed by EXT. And it will use the same password as your main network. Now, unplug your extender and move it to the location where you actually need better Wi-Fi. Plug it back in. That's it. If this quick tutorial helped you eliminate your Wi-Fi dead zones, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more tech guide. Thanks for watching.